In a quarter mile, merge onto I-285 South.
Come on, goddamn!
Welcome to Crafting with Cass. I'm Cass, and welcome back to Crafting with Cass if you're back and you're ready for another set of DIY projects. So in today's projects, they are going to be full of all cute, modern fall DIY crafts. So if you want to see how these turn out, then let's go ahead and let's get right started. So for the first piece of fall decor, I'm going to be using some scrap Sherpa material that I've used in a previous project, as well as a brand new bag of fiberfill that I got from the craft store, and I'm going to be using it to create a no-sew Sherpa pumpkin pillow. You've seen these pillows all around. They're pretty trendy at different stores, and I'm going to be making a no-sew version. And so first up, I cut a large piece of material that I'm going to be using to make the pillow. And so I'm just turning the material inside out, and then I'm just lining up all of the edges, and I'm going to be using some hot glue to sew or to glue all of the sides except one of the sides I'm going to keep open. If you're using glue to do this, you just really want to make sure that you press down the sides to make sure that it adheres really, really good. And then after I got those two sides adhered, then on the shorter side, I grabbed some thread and I bunched up that side, and then I just wrapped the thread around to tie it securely. And I'm just literally just wrapping the thread around, pulling it tight, and then tying it into a knot. And then after I cut the ends of the thread, then I'm just turning it inside out. And so now it's basically in the shape of a bag. So now I'm just going to stuff it with the fiberfill pillow stuffing. And then after I get it stuffed, then I'm just trying to pull it as tight as I possibly can. And then I'm just using some more of that thread, and I'm just wrapping it around the top. You can also use like a rubber band to also secure it as well, but I'm just sticking with the thread here. And then after I get the top secured, then I'm just trimming off some of the excess, which is going to be used as the stem. And now I grab that same thread again, and I am just wrapping it back around the top and tying it. And now it's time to create those lines that you would see on a pumpkin. So after I get it wrapped around the top, then I'm just going to drag that thread around the body of the ball to create the lines for the pumpkin. now I'm using some black yarn, which is what I'm going to use for the stem, and I'm just tying it to the top, and then I'm just going to continue to wrap it upwards to cover this entire piece of material that's showing. And then I thought it would be cute to use a contrasting color of yarn to create some text on the front of the pumpkin. For the next piece of decor, I'm going to be creating a faux ceramic texture ball-footed decor bowl using materials from the dollar store, as well as this spackling that I've been having left over and using for a lot of different craft projects. So first up, I'm giving this bowl a new look, and I am giving it a couple of coats of taupe chalk paint in the inside and on the outside. And then I'm adding some spackling to different areas for some added texture. And then after the spackling hardens, then I'm just recoating it with some more chalk paint. And then I also painted these tennis balls in the same color, and I'm just adding that to the feet of the bowl. And then add some decorative filler inside the bowl. And then next I thought it would be cute to decorate this jar and make like a little pumpkin festive candle jar container. And so I thought it would be cute to match the footed decor bowl. And so here I am just adding some of the pumpkin filler from the dollar store, and I'm just adding it to the lid. Thanks so much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe with the bell to see what I'm crafting next.